Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add custom loading screen animation on your Shopify store, what some people call custom preloader? That's the exact thing I'm about to show you in this video, and without using any applications, and completely free, and by using very short code. And customizable, of course. And without any more talking, let's jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is, or the first thing I have to do is show you what I'm talking about. So let me reload the page, and here it is. This is the animation. As you can see, you can add it to only specific pages that you want, or you can add it to the whole store. It's very easy, and it will take just a couple of minutes. Let's just get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are already in Shopify dashboard, click on sales channels and click on online store, so we can add this access the section where we can customize the theme. And the next thing you're going to do is the most important step is make sure you duplicate the theme. So the customizations you will do them on the customization on the duplicated theme, and if it works, good for you, click on the publish. If not, you still have the previous version intact, so make sure you do so. After that, click on the three dots for the duplicated theme and click on edit code. Now on the left panel right here, you will see some files and folders. There is a folder called section. Click on it to be expanded. Then again, click on the folder that says section, click on the name of it, right click on the folder sections and click on new file and simply type in loading-screen.liquid. Make sure you add the file extension at the end, which is .liquid. Then click on enter and it will create the file completely empty, and here we need to paste in the short code. Where are you going to get that code from? Me. So scroll down the description box, you will see a link, my website, click on it, and you will see this code right here. As you can see, click on this arrow, or this copy button to copy it, paste it in here, and here it is. As you can see, it's 190 lines of code. Click on save. Now we get back in here, click on edit theme for the theme where you added the section, and simply where you want to add the loading screen. If you want to add it to the whole store, scroll all the way down. By the way, all of this has been added in videos, so if you're interested, make sure to check out the channel. So in here, once you move the mouse cursor over the footer, the plus button, you should see two options: add to template, add to footer. So if you click on add section to template, you will only add the loading screen on this template, which is basically the home page in this case. If you want to show it on all the pages, then click on add to footer. Simply click on add section, and it will show you the section you have. And here it is, loading screen by OnHub Studio. If you don't see it, use the search bar to look for it. This is the name. So simply click on it. It will add section. Nothing will show up here, of course. And on the right here or left, depends on your screen, you should see some options for the background color, because by default is white. I'm going to keep it as white. And the logo, because obviously you have to add your logo. So I'm going to select the logo and make sure the logo is transparent. And after that, I'm going to resize the logo to make it a little bit larger. And here it shows up again. If I click on save, it will reload the page. And this is the logo. As you can see, if I get back to the store, reload the page again for the second time. And here is the custom loading screen animation, which is the preloader, as some people call it. If you have any video requests or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.